Are you getting better with your harness? Are you? He is getting better, but today's been a bit of a dickhead. Bertie, you been a dickhead? Yeah, come on. Yeah, he's been a bit of an arse. Oh, there goes the train. Early morning commuters. There and back, there and back, there and back. Retire. 6 months later, you is dead. Let's have a look. Oh, he's gone down that tunnel there, can't see him. Yeah, Bertie's training and the possibility of a second dog. What do you think? I'm not sure. It's a lot of hard work, and I will catch you later. Bye bye.